Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable maintenance mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care option. After that scroll all the way down and at the bottom you can see maintenance mode option. Then just tap here and then tap on turn on option. Then tap on restart. So just give it a moment to enable maintenance mode. Normally it will take around 2 minutes. Now the phone will take restart, and after restart maintenance mode will be enabled in your phone. So just give it a moment. And you can see your phone is switching to maintenance mode. And that's it. You can see in my phone maintenance mode is enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable maintenance mode, just swipe down and then tap here. Then tap on exit. Then tap on restart. Then you have to use your current PIN or password. So just type it. Now the phone will take restart again to disable maintenance mode. So just give it a moment. And the restart is complete. And you can see in my phone maintenance mode has been disabled successfully. Now your phone is normal mode. And that is how you can enable or disable maintenance mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.